What's going on, guys? Force White here, bringing you guys a brand new video. And as you can see behind me, this is the framing for our brand new house. So today I want to show you guys in a quick little clip of us putting the walls up, us framing it. This is a complete DIY frame. Me and my dad did this and it turned out really good. And I'm also going to show you guys the layout of our house. So this is going to be my house once it's complete. Me and my wife's and our 2 children. We're going to be living here. So I'm going to show you guys the layout and I'll show you guys us framing this up. Alright, so starting on this side of the house, sorry guys, it's pouring the rain. It's really wet. So this is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. Over on this side of the house, this is the master bedroom. That corner will be the master bathroom. Basically, to this area will be a walk-in closet. Over here we have, this is the back of the house, by the way. This will be our kitchen. That'll be the kitchen window. Then you'll have your vanity there with the sink. And I think I'm going to roll the cabinets this way, and then there'll be a wall come out, and the cabinets will roll along that wall. Coming on over, this is the back door. Over here, this window here will be the center of a laundry room / pantry, so it'll be both. By the way, this house is a 60 by 30. As I said, 3-bed, 2-bath. This corner here will be the second bedroom. Has 30-inch windows there. They're the same. In between, so this is the front corner of the house. That'll be another bedroom. In between the 2 bedrooms will be another bathroom. Moving around to the front, this is also the bedroom. And then right about somewhere over here, the living room will start. And we went with 2 picture windows. So that door, that'll be the front entry door. Picture window there and a matching window there. Those will match. They'll be looking out toward the garage. And that's it. That is a walk around of the house. And so we come back around to the bedroom. So here it is. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath. We just got finished framing this thing up. And we'll be moving on to probably sheeting the walls. The trusses will not be ready for another 3 or 4 weeks. So we're going to be sheeting the walls, getting ready for our ceiling trusses. I'm so excited. Anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. We are moving right along with this house. Hopefully the rain will hold off. We've been getting a ton of rain and it's slowing things down. But hey, you can only do what you can do. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you so much for watching.